Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss how the list can be used in stack and queue. First, we will look into the stack. So, what is stack? A stack is based on the logic where first in, last out, which is nothing but the data added first to the list is removed out of the list at the last. That is what is called first in, last out logic. We use the pop function to perform this operation. We will look into an example to have better understanding about how stack works. In this example, we have a list called A with the 5 different objects. The first object added to the list is O1, and the second object added to the list is O2, and so on, and the last object added to the list is O5. To perform the stack operation, we mention the list name first, which is A, and use the dot operator and call the pop function. The pop function will remove the last object, which is O5, from the list A. Here we go. If we print the list A, now we have only 4 objects, which is from O1 to O4. If we run the pop function again and print the list A, we will see the list only will have 3 objects, which is from O1 to O3. When we run the pop function again, the last object, which is O4, will be removed from the list A. Here we go. The important thing to notice here is the pop function does not take any values in the argument. So the next is queue. What is queue? Queue is based on the logic first in, first out, where the data first added to the list is removed out of the list first. We use the same pop function to perform the queue operation, but in a slightly different manner. Now we will look at an example to see how the queue function works. In this example, we have a list called A with the 5 different objects. So the first object which is added to the list is O1, and the last object added to the list is O2, O5. So to perform the queue operation, first we'll mention the list name, which is A, and we use the pop function. We will pass the value 0 as an argument for the pop function. What this pop function does is it will remove the first object from the list, which is nothing but O1. Now, if we print the list A, which will have only 4 objects from O2 to O5, since this pop function has already removed the value O1 from the list. Here we go. We have the objects from O1 to O5. Now, if we run the pop function again on a list A, which will remove the object O2 from the list, because as of now, O2 is the first object in the list A. So, O2 has been removed from the list A, and the list contains only the object from O3 to O5. This is how the queue works with the help of pop function. Hope you guys understood the concept of stack and queue in detail. See you guys in the next video.